Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I know it has been a while since I dropped a video, but pardon me for that. So we are back with another amazing video here. So what we are going to be doing in this video, I'm basically going to show you how you can connect your wireless mouse, your mouse or your wired mouse to your mobile phone. So how to connect a mouse to your phone and use the mouse on your phone. So first off, we are going to start with the wireless mouse. Now, the wireless mouse we have here is a rechargeable mouse and it has an inbuilt Bluetooth. So you can, and also a receiver. So you can connect this mouse to your phone or your laptop either with this receiver or with the inbuilt Bluetooth. So I'm actually going to show you how you can connect this mouse to your phone using both methods. So to connect your mouse using the Bluetooth method, first thing you have to do is to turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. So hold and you go to Bluetooth settings. Now the Bluetooth on the phone is on. You come to this mouse. If you check out this mouse well, there's an option. If you are switching it down, you are enabling Bluetooth. If you switch it up, then you want to connect via this receiver. So it's stated on the mouse while the middle button is the off button. So if you want to connect with Bluetooth, we just switch it on downwards. So it's on now. We come to our phone, go to pair new device and search for the Bluetooth. So this mouse is actually running on Bluetooth 5.2 and 3.0. So you can choose whichever one you wish. Let me use the 5.2. Then I pair. Once I've done that, you can see the cursor is there now. So I can operate my phone using this mouse. I can open anything using this mouse and see we are actually operating our phone with this mouse. That's how you connect a mouse to your phone using Bluetooth. Now, if you are using, let me turn it off. Peradventure you have a mouse that doesn't come with an inbuilt Bluetooth, because not all wireless mouse comes with inbuilt Bluetooth. Some you only have the option to connect with this receiver. So if you want to connect with this receiver, remove the receiver, then you need an adapter, an OTG adapter. We'll call this an OTG adapter. This particular one is an all-in-one OTG adapter. So you can actually connect to an iPhone, connect to a Type-C phone, or connect to a micro USB phone. There are other OTG adapters that if you are using just a micro USB, you can get. There are some that you can only use for micro USB for Type-C, like individually, then for iPhone. But this one has everything packed. For the phone we are using, it has a micro USB port. So let me connect this. Now we plug in this OTG adapter to our charging port. Once you plug it, this pop-up will come up. Go to OTG settings. Then I will enable it for this phone. Your phone may be different. Now this is plugged in. I just simply plug in this receiver to this end of the OTG. Once I plug in this receiver, then I go to the mouse. This time around, I'll switch it up because we are connecting with a receiver. Automatically we are connected. Now you can see me operating the phone with the mouse. That's how you connect a wireless mouse to your phone and use a mouse on your phone. The next thing we have to do now is to connect our wired mouse. How do you connect a wired mouse to your phone? It's very simple. If you are connecting a wired mouse to your phone, you need this OTG adapter too. So I want to use this one now, this particular one that's individual. You can use either of them though. So I want to use this one to show you. Now you just plug in the mouse to this OTG port. Now you come to your phone charging port. You plug it in. If you see, the mouse has light up. Now the mouse icon is showing. If you can see it well, we have our mouse connected to our phone. Now I'm actually using a wired mouse. So this is how you connect a mouse to your phone, being it wired mouse, wireless mouse. If you are using a wired mouse, you need the OTG adapter. If you have a wireless mouse that doesn't support Bluetooth, you need the OTG adapter. And or if you have a wireless mouse that has inbuilt Bluetooth, then you don't need this OTG adapter. You can simply connect with just the Bluetooth. Now that's how you connect a mouse to your smartphone or your tablet. So I'm going to drop the link to this product. If you need any of this product, I'm going to drop a link where you can get this product at very affordable prices. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, CY's Gadgets. Peace out.